In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can create a digitally fillable PDF form in Adobe InDesign. So you can create this yourself inside of InDesign or use anything you already have and then just add the text fields yourself where needed. So this is a regular text field made with the text tool. And now what we're going to do is select this and then use the buttons and forms option here, which if it isn't visible, you can go to Window and then go to Interactive and choose Buttons and Forms. And this will open a new window where you can choose which kind of form or button you want to use. So I have my text field selected here, and then if I open this drop-down menu, I can choose several things. And for this one, I'm going to choose a text field. Now give your field a name. It's important. Like this, and then you can also choose if you want to have it multi-line or required or all that. I'm going to choose multi-line because I want people to be able to have multiple lines of text beneath each other. And then you can also choose your font and your font size if you want to. So now we've done this, and this field has become a text field where people can add multiple lines of text. Now you can, because I want to have a field here also, you can take your text tool and then just create a field like this and then select it and just give all the options again you want to use. But because it's exactly the same as this one, I'm first going to delete this, and then if I select this text box and I use my Alt Option key and just drag it below, I'm making a duplicate. So as you can see now, this text field is about you. The name is about you, and it has printable and multi-line and scrollable. And then the second text field has the same configuration, and it has added, because InDesign is quite smart sometimes, it has added a 1 beneath the name. So it is different from the first one, because if they both have the same name, when you type in the top one, you will also be typing in the one below you copied. But I'm going to give this one another name. And for the rest, it's okay. Then we have the name field. This one is also a text field, but I'm not going to select multi-line because they just have to give in the name. And then we have the age option, for which I want a combo box where you will have to list items. We'll give a drop-down menu so people can choose what they want to select. So let's give in some ages. And then you click the plus sign and you add all the ages you want to add. Like that. So this one is okay. Also, I just have to give it a name. And then we have the address field here, which is again a text field and a multi-line text field, because I want people to be able to have multiple lines of text below each other. And then we have these things here where you can select something. So I'm just going to zoom in a bit. When I select this one, which is just a regular square made with the rectangle tool, when I have it selected, I can choose a checkbox. And then you can also give it a name if you want to, but I'm going to leave it like this. I'm not sure where the first checkbox has gone, just make it checkbox. And then you can choose if you want to have it by default selected or normal off, when then it's not selected, just like that. And then, because all of these will be the same, I'm just going first to select them all. Then select this box, and again with Alt Option key, drag it below, a bit further below, so it's aligned with this one. And then select both of these, and I will copy them both. And then the same for these four here, delete, and select all these four. Use Alt Option key, and just drag them to where they need to be. And as you can see now, this one is button checkbox 3 because for some reason it renamed it and it didn't it didn't adjust my name. Okay, so this is checkbox 2, and then 3, and then 4, 5, and all the way like that. Now I have a box here, and you can use this to have a signature field. Now this will request a digital signature from Adobe PDF, which, well, it's nice, but it can be a hassle also. So you can also make a regular box without a signature field option, so people can just use the sign and fill option with an existing signature if they want to. But apart from that, you can make it a signature field if you want to. And then when all is ready, you go to File and choose Export, or press Ctrl-Command-E, then give it a name and make sure you're using the interactive PDF option here. Click Save, and then you get this Export to interactive PDF option. I'm not going to go into all the compression, advanced, and security options here. Speaks for itself. Security, you can give a requirement for a password, and then advanced here gives a display title and all that. Compression, not needed for this. We're just going to go to general and leave everything as it is. So include everything, and yeah, just click export. And as you can see, it is now opened in Adobe Acrobat and we can fill in things. We have multi-line selected, so we can press enter and give in several lines of text, same for here. And then we have the name option. We have the age option with a drop-down box here. The address option, which has multi-line, so we can press enter and give several lines of text. And then we have the things we can select, so just click them to select them. And then we have the digital signature field, which says click to sign. And if you have a digital ID, you can use that one. That's how you can create a digital fillable form in Adobe InDesign, so you can use it in Adobe Acrobat or just anywhere you want to as a digital fillable PDF form. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.